English File 4th edition, Intermediate Students' Book. CD 2. 3.1. 1.
Tickets, please.
Two.
Have you all got your seatbelts on?
Three. Four. Five. Six.
Mind the gap.
Seven. Eight.
City centre, please.
All right. Okay, here we are. All right. So what was number one? The train. That was number one, right? It was the train. And what about number two? There. Sorry, number two? No. Number two says fasten your seatbelts.
Car.
The car. Car was number two. So number one, the train. Number two, the car. Number three is
Bike,
the bike. Number four is
scooter,
the motorbike. The motorbike is number four. Number five,
lorry,
yes. Number six, sorry,
underground,
the underground. And in underground, remember that I told you there is a phrase that she says. Did you hear it? Understand it?
Mind the gap.
Mind the gap. What is this sentence? Mind the gap.
Cuidado con el bordecito.
Right. Be careful with the space between the train, let's say, or the underground, and the platform. Right. The space that you have in the middle. Mind the gap. Be careful when you step out of the train, right, or the coach. So that is mind the gap. Good. All right. Great. So that was number six. Number seven,
scooter,
a scooter. Yeah, a scooter. And number eight,
Bus.
bus,
the bus. Right. Remember that motorbike, right? If you think about a motorbike, think about a bike that is powerful, it is faster, okay, than the scooter, right? The scooter, it's something more simple, practical, small, it's smaller than a motorbike. Okay. Okay, we good so far? Easy, right? First activity, piece of cake. Now, here it says page 155. That means vocabulary. Let's see if this is the one. No, money. Transport. Here we are. Transport, right? And we have here, as always, we have pictures, and then we have the vocabulary that corresponds to each picture. So, we have, first of all, we have, coach. And because you see that here we have this column here that says coach. Also means, that's the it says coach. Also means part of a train, because it can be the wagon, okay, the coach. So be careful. But coach is another transport. Which picture do you think is coach?
2.
Number 2, right? These big buses, they're coaches. Okay? Okay. So coach is number 2. Then we have the ferry. What the ferry? What picture?
5.
Number 8. Yeah, number 8 is the ferry. And what about the lorry?
3.
Lorry is number 3. You see that it says American English truck, because usually the Americans say truck, okay, and British people use lorry. So the lorry, motorbike. It's not a motorbike.
9.
It is 9, okay. Motorway.
6.
Number 6, right? The motorway is the plane. And it says American English, freeway, right? So motorway, freeway, British American. Scooter. Again, what about the scooter?
4.
Number 4. Okay, yeah, scooter. Tram.
5.
Tram is number 5. The underground.
7.
7.
Number 7. And American English, we have subway, right? So British American again. And number 1, it's done. It says van. That is number 1, right? Van. Okay, simple, easy. Now, number 2, here there are more words, right? And it says complete the compound nouns, because in this case it's not only one word but compound nouns. Remember that we can make compounds out of nouns. For example, if I have car and I have crash, I can say car crash, right? In number 2, I have cycle. What can I add to cycle?
Home.
Cycle here, and we have lane, right? Para la senda. So cycle lane. Okay, here I will give you, so we said, number 1 is car crash. Number 2 is cycle lane. Now, what about number 3?
Song.
Okay, the thing here, let me zoom in. You see that it says penalty something. So a penalty means a fine. Okay, it's una multa. So a parking fine. So that is number 3, parking fine. Number 4 is a pedestrian.
Hour.
Pedestrian zone. The pedestrian zone. Okay, what about petrol? Easy.
Station.
Petrol
Station.
station. Yeah. And road?
Crossing.
Road works. Road. Where is it? Here. Road works. Okay, road works. Number 7, rush. Rush hour, like the film, exactly. Rush hour. And seat.
Belt.
Head out.
Seatbelt. Where is belt? Ah, the first one. Seatbelt. Number 9. Speed.
Camera.
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 Yeah. These horrible inventions. Yeah. Speed camera.
Yeah.
Well, that is number 9. And number 10 is speed.
Limit.
Limit.
Speed limit. Where is it? Limit. Here. Speed limit. Yeah, well, I kind of highlighted speed limit. Yeah. Number 11. Taxi.
Rank.
Yeah, rank. Okay, rank is pista. Okay, so taxi rank means where taxis stop, right? Taxi rank. 12. Traffic
Light.
Right.
Light.
lights. Traffic lights. Yeah. And then number 13 is traffic
Horse.
Jam.
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 Traffic jam. Jam no es mermelada, pero casi. Traffic jam means this, congestión, right? Embotellamiento, traffic jam. And zebra, or zebra,
Crossing.
crossing, right? Good. Okay, excellent. Now, we have activity 3 that says, how long does it take? And it says, how long does it take? We use take plus the person plus time plus to get, to, or from to talk about the duration of a journey. For example, it takes about an hour to get from London to Oxford by train. I can also say it took me, the person, it took me more than an hour to get to work yesterday. Right? So these are two options on how we can say how long something takes. So how long does it take you to get to school, for example? So, for example, how long does it take to go from Merlo to Recoleta? So, how long does it take? Two ways, only two, because the third one, how long, that is a question, right? So two ways of saying how long something takes. Yeah. So if I ask, how long does it take to go from Merlo to Recoleta by car, right? We are driving. How long does it take?
2 hours.
Okay, but in a sentence, take a look at the sentences. How should we start this answer? How long does it take? Well,
It takes about 2 hours to get uh, from Merlo to Recoleta by car. What?
yeah, good. So
By car is less, I think, 1 hour.
it depends on the day, the time.
Mm.
But let's suppose 2 hours. So 2 hours, it's okay. So it takes, well, Mika said about, that's fine. About means approximately, right? It takes 2 hours, more or less, to get from Merlo to Recoleta. So we can also say it takes me, for example, because I'm speaking about myself. So it takes me 2 hours, more or less. So these are options and they're correct, okay? But the structure, the sentence is take the person is optional, but take and the time and then the prepositions, okay? So remember to highlight this first part. It
Take
takes,
2 hours.
it takes 2 hours. It takes 30 minutes
2 hours.
to go from Merlo to Moron, suppose. It takes half an hour. Or it takes me half an hour. That's also correct. Okay, and then activity 4, it says phrasal verbs. So we have more phrasal verbs. It says complete the phrasal verbs with a word from the list. So I have end, look, pick, run, and set. Again, I'm going to give you 5 minutes. So number 1, we
Run.
Run.
not to run. Set, exactly. So it says set off. What is set off?
Salir.
Exactly, it has to do with leaving, right? Or for example, we can use it for alarms. For example, the alarm, the smoke alarm was set off, right? So that's possible to say. Or we can, we could use it as an expression. For example, his comment set off an argument, right? Or an embarrassing situation. So his comment set off, disparó, okay? So set off means that leave, to go someplace, right? You're leaving, or again, that it worked as a trigger. So that is set off. Number 2, I arrive at 8:15. Do you think you could?
Run.
Pick up.
Okay, pick me up. In that case, pick me up. Good. So do you think you could pick me up? What is to pick up?
Recogerme.
Exactly. And if pick up is that, what is to drop off? What is the opposite?
The office is sacar.
We're saying
Caer.
to
Caer.
pick up is to grab something, right? Collect, pick up. If pick up
Dejar.
is collect, okay, good. To leave, right? Drop off es dejar. Incluso si prestan atención en las películas, sobre todo cuando es el tema de llevar a los chicos al colegio y llevarlos, dice drop off area, zona para descarga o dejar a los chicos, drop off.
Yes.
Okay, so pick me up, drop off. Okay, number 3, always check the address you put in your satnav, or you may
And
end up.
End up.
Okay, end up. So what is to end up?
terminar.
Exactly, yeah, end up. Number 4, we're going to
Run.
run
Going to run.
out of. Yeah, run out of. What is to run out of? Exactly, it means without, okay, sin. So I ran out of time, me quedé sin tiempo. I ran out of petrol, me quedé sin nafta. I ran out of patience, me quedé sin paciencia. Okay, se me acabó. So, run out of, there's no more. Okay, 5.
Looked out.
Look.
Out.
Look.
Look out or watch out. You're going to crash. So what is to look out or watch out?
Mirar o estar o vigilar.
Be careful, right? Look out,
Sí.
watch out, be careful. Okay, pay attention, right?
Cuidado, ¿no?
Exactly. Okay, wonderful. So many words here. Okay, so, oh no, where am I? Let's go back to page where we were in. It was 26, page 26. Okay, we'll have a little revision here, page 26. It says pronunciation. It says look at the sound pictures. What are the words and sounds? Listen and repeat. Right? So there are 3 sounds here. Do you remember the first sound? What sound is this? In the first column.
Train was.
Not right. The person is taking a shower.
Shower.
What is the sound?
Shower.
The sound is sh, right? What about number 2, or the second one? What is the person doing? He's playing what music? If you're with us. Okay, you're with a saxophone. So what is he playing? What music? It's close. J, right? J. Okay, J. And the final sound, we have chess. So the sound is chess. What is the sound in chess? What's the sound? Ch. Exactly. Ch. Right? So we have sh, j, and ch. Those are the three sounds we have here. And below in activity B, it says write 3 words from the list in each column, right? So you have a little list below that you have to classify according to the sound. For example, the first one is adventure. What column? Tell me, what column is it?
Adventure. 3.
Adventure. Is the third one, right? In chess. Adventure.
Yes.
Adventure. Number 3. And then we have, for example, bridge. Bridge. What is a bridge?
Second.
The number 2.
The second, number 2. Exactly. That is number 2. Okay.
Shower, sh. Crash, rush. Station,
Jazz, j. Bridge, journey. Traffic jam,
chess, ch. Adventure, catch. Coach,
All right. Is it clearer? The correction, I mean. Is it clear?
I think I can all I could. Not all, but most. I read it.
Most of them. Okay, so if we think about shower, right? Shower is the first one. What words contain the sound sh?
Crash,
Crash,
rush,
Rush.
rush, and
Station.
station. Those 3. Crash, rush, station. With jazz, we have bridge, that we said bridge. What else?
Journey,
Journey,
traffic
Traffic
jam.
jam.
traffic jam.
Journey. Traffic.
Una aclaración que voy a hacer acá con este sonido en particular. Cuidado con journey, porque el sonido es y, es que la lengua se traba en los dientes. Y, porque si no corren el peligro de que suene como sh, como en shower, ¿sí? Y eso es, el de shower sí es el de pedir silencio, el sh que hacemos. Pero jazz es un sonido que se traba en los dientes, ¿sí? Jazz, bridge, traffic jam, jam. Okay? And then with chess, we have adventure, that we said adventure, and
Catch y coach.
catch and coach. Yeah, exactly. Wonderful. Marvelous. Now, we're going to continue with listening activities here, but first, activity D, it says listen to the pairs of words. Can you hear the difference? Practice saying them. So I'm going to play the audio here, and you will listen to both words, but you need to find, or listen actually, the difference, okay? So let's see how it goes. I'm going to play it twice, as I did before. Okay? So 3.7, here we go.
one,
cheap, jeep,
2, chain, Jane. 3,
choke, joke,
4, ship, chip. 5,
shoes, choose,
6, wash, watch. 3.7 1,
cheap, jeep,
2, chain, Jane. 3,
choke, joke,
4, ship, chip. 5,
shoes, choose,
6, wash, watch.
'Alright, so what's the difference here?
Which sound like a ch and
And
z,
and
z.
okay, so 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. We have ch, like chip, right? The ch as we pronounce it, ch. But then B, 1, 2, 3, B, we have j,
Z.
okay? J, jeep, jane, joke, okay? J. Okay, and then 4, 5, 6. It's easier because you have sh, like in silence, right? Shh, and then have ch,
Ch.
chip. Exactly. So that's I think the most difficult ones are 1, 2, and 3. That difference. 4, 5, 6, not so different. But well, now you're going to listen, okay, from each group only one, okay, only one, and you have to mark if it is A or B. Okay, so 1, you will listen, and 1, and you will mark A or B according to what you hear. Okay, so I'm going to play it twice again, all right? So you have time to mark the right option. So this is 3.8.
3.8 1,
jeep,
2, chain. 3,
joke,
4, chip. 5,
shoes,
6, watch. 3.8 1,
jeep,
2, chain. 3,
joke,
4, chip. 5,
shoes,
6, watch.
Okay, is it necessary to play it one more time or not?
No.
No, we can check it. Okay. Good. Um, here, is it there? Yes, it's there. Okay, good. So what about number 1? What did you hear?
jeep,
Jeep.
Jeep. Yes. Number 2?
Jane.
jane,
Jane.
Number 2 is A, chain.
Mm.
Number 3,
joke,
A.
it is B. Joke. It is joke. Number 4,
B. Chip.
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 Number 5,
Shoes. A.
shoes. That was easy. And number 6,
B. Watch.
watch. Okay, good. So again, number 3, I think it was a bit difficult, maybe. But good, really nice. Okay, now we're going to work with a dictation. Okay, it's a little dictation. It says, listen and write 5 short sentences or questions. Right? So we have okay, only 5. So I'm going to play the listening twice as always, but in this case you will have to write down the sentences you hear. Okay? So let's see how it goes.
Point 9. 1,
Do you like chips?
2,
I'm going to wash it.
3,
You choose.
4,
Don't joke about it.
5,
Is it cheap?
3.9. 1,
Do you like chips?
2,
I'm going to wash it.
3,
You choose.
4,
Don't joke about it.
5,
Is it cheap?